everybody. This place is crazy. Look at this. This is amazing stuff here. I'm gonna get like 40 videos. Yes, I'm not an East Coast Rail fan, but they even got open real. Alright, everyone, we have a CSX coming into Lakeshore Railroad Museum. Alright, we have a CSX coming in. Alright, everyone, we have an NS coming up to here. Southern coming into the lake, and it's carrying a random box that looks like a bomb. Alright, and we have a BNSF coming into the lake. Lakeshore Limited passing through the Lakeshore Railroad Museum. Hey! It's the same set as last one. There goes the Lakeshore Limited to New York. Alright, everyone, we have a Norfolk Southern coming into the Lakeshore Railway Museum. And I was right, it's there it is. I'm coming in. The car made it all the way from Fullerton to the museum already. That I can't believe it. It made it that far. Hi, car. CSX. Hi. Everybody, we were in the car, and then CSX passed us right here. Wow. Oh, I got an orange on the front and inside the car. Okay, guys, we're at like this Plan and Erie. I think those are CPKC engines up there. Alrighty, when we have a CSX coming into here, I think I heard a Jeep sleep. New York. This guy just gave me a hat.
That's good. You gotta make sure you say thank you, though.
I did.
An extra siding. And you go to that factory. They'd decouple the car or two and they would slowly go back.
Pretty amazing. That train stopped and like you got that hand.
I
was the car on the track but off the tracks. Everyone, this is GECX 6002 right here. It's a, let me zoom out. Yeah. Sorry for the local. And I can walk up here. I can or that. I absolutely can. But, yeah, here it is. Alright, everyone, here is chassis system 8272. The Lakeshore Train Museum. Stairs, door, and it's a dash 7. Everyone, here is Norfolk Southern DB 32B, number 3563 right here. Same introduction as last time. Everyone, here is, I don't know what this engine is. It's from the New York Central Rail number 2500. Yes, I don't know, but here it is. Everyone, here is CSX, I don't know, number 7764 right here. Everyone, here are 2 Empire Builder cars. Yeah, they are, I saw them. Yes, Empire Builder cars. The scrapyard trains over there too. Alright, everyone, here is, I don't know, number 1950 right here. I've never climbed up any of these tiny guys before. Show you me on top of them. Here's me on, yeah, it's tiny. So, everybody, here is, I don't know, number, I don't know. Everyone, this is CSX? What in the world did they build this thing for? Why should it exist? It's 18742. What in the world is this? And what is it for? They just have this. They just have a chicken coop in the train. Everyone, here's Conrail caboose number 18374. This is Pennsylvania Railroad. I don't know. I think it's Pennsylvania Railroad. Number 164. This is Burlington Route number 1530 with baggage car. Everyone, here are 2 passenger cars. Right in this museum. Observation car and a random car. I don't know. Everyone, here's some old freight cars right here. Before we get to my favorite train. Everyone, here's my favorite train right here, the Southwest Railroad 802. It looks beautiful to me. Might be our last train.